Hello. We're gonna put in the best that eBay and Amazon has to offer, a clutch kit from Clutch Max. This is their OE clutch. We're gonna see how long it takes us, how long it lasts, if it holds up to motorsport and rallycross. And while we're at it, we're gonna throw the GD master cylinder in my GC here, and let's get into it.
Meow.
No.
Oh, good soup.
3D printed radiator mount and bushings. This is so that we can run a Legacy GT rad in our, you can see, Legacy GT. In the GC, works perfectly. Next, after the radiator's out, we'll finish pulling that in a second. We'll worry about the intake, just more 3D printed parts, coupler and coupler. All the PCV fittings and adapters are all 3D printed.
Yeah, what is that?
Oh, this is an adapter so that you can run a temp sensor. I don't have one because I'm cheap and the GC doesn't overheat yet, but I'm sure it will eventually. That's why it's there.
Beauty. Just super, ooh. Oh. What else do we have left on the bell housing? Oh, that's gone forever.
Yeah, never seeing that again. Bell housing, fuel lines, and
engine mounts.
Engine mounts. So
cool.
I've done one thing.
It smells so good. I don't want to get fucking sprayed with gas again.
Again, cut to that one time.
Just doused. It's actually my... what the fuck?
Oh, I'm glad you didn't catch that.
Catch what, Dylan? What didn't I catch? The fact that your socket is all the way down there on the fucking ground?
That's my wrench.
Oh, your wrench? So different.
It's a ratcheting one, so we can call it a wrench it, if you would like.
Woo! Did you get it?
Yes, I got it. Good news. Only one out of my 4 bell housing bolts was loose from rallying.
It wasn't
and
the
it was
bolt
thread
that,
locked.
Yeah, it wasn't the bolt that was loose.
Sorry, the stud. The stud backed out of the block. Which is crazy because I didn't even pull it out when I put this motor in.
Very studly stud. What you doing there, stepbrother?
I am pulling the pin out. If you want a good hack, this totally wasn't something Nick told me. Came up with this, yeah, just those bolts. They're perfect, the perfect length.
That's not the only thing that's the perfect length.
Oh.
What you doing down there?
Exhaust.
Woo!
I had coolant literally drip into my eye. That's not ideal. Okay, don't look too close at my gross exhaust manifold.
Ooh, exhaust manifold. Coming soon to Beijing Subarus Pot.
Okay, why are you dripping? Don't even need the funnel. But it's definitely gonna be in my way. That is right in my face.
Ow, my knuckle.
Hey, you actually got it out. Did it swing back and get you?
Dude, those things just want to fucking destroy your hands. Holy shit. Getting it through the gate is the easy part.
Man, I got so much coolant all over the top of this block.
You start a soup
camera.
kitchen. What? Oh, shit. That's not good. Are you okay? Do you need me to kiss it better? Oh, God. What? Don't watch me do this. This is...
Come on. Faster.
Jesus.
And that's why we pull radiators.
What the
No, I thought I jiggled it enough to disconnect it. I guess not.
I'll lower it down a bit.
Well, that throw bearing's no good anymore. It's a little bent. That's all right.
Holy moly!
Oh, stop. There's still ground wire.
Oh, that's...
Now it looks like my head gasket's blown because there's coolant everywhere.
Foreshadowing.
Yeah.
as soon as this bad boy goes back in. That one had a blown head gasket, but not anymore. Bippity boppity boop. I feel like this is a lot easier.
Sorry, it's what?
I feel like you fucker. I feel like it's a lot easier than a turbo car to pull the engine out.
Yeah, there's only a couple things that are different. No vacuum lines makes a big difference. I should patch that EGR. It looks like there's a bit of a pore, so a weld kind of blew out. That's a later problem.
Definitely. You can do that while the engine's in. Right?
No.
Oh.
I mean, I could pull the line, I could pull the fitting off.
How long is it going to take you to patch it?
Like 30 seconds.
Why don't you just do it right now then? Cool.
Is that good enough? You think you can see? Is it good? Should it be closer?
Yeah, it can't focus any closer than that. Yeah, there. Yes! Welder! Mohammed Abdul! Yes! I am! Ah, yes. We follow strict electrical codes here.
I'm gonna do this the right way. I'm gonna grab a grinder, clean it up quick, and a mask. I don't want to, but.
Now I should look at this, right?
Yeah.
How's it look?
Oh, it looks mint. Nice booger right on top.
Your thoughts on the flywheel? Does it seem good?
I want to say it was 12 or 13 pounds, and so far it's definitely nicer than the 24 pound that these cars came with. It's about the same as my old one. It's also about 12 pounds. No idea the history of that one. I got it secondhand for 50 bucks. And it is smoked. And that was rude.
What's this?
We don't talk about that.
What is it?
To get a good quality knock sensor for these cars is kind of expensive. And being a high compression running a turbo ECU, we don't want to know about knock. So I did that, and I don't think it works.
I have a spare
That's okay.
Spare knock
we
sensor.
we don't like knock sensors around here.
I love how your engine is still pissing coolant.
It's not. It's just excited for you.
Just me?
Yep.
Wow. Good soup.
Yep. Give that a second to flash. Oh, I got a good whiff of that. That's good stuff. Jesus, that blew like right into my face.
Give that a good wiggle. Oh.
Some good wax on that.
Good. Good. Quality.
Ooh. Okay, hi.
Oh, that's what those are for.
Yeah. It's a major pain. If you have an engine crane and it doesn't have a handle, well, the handle on it. It's a game changer.
Clutch max. Oh. You cannot get a more maxed out clutch than this bad boy. Is this the Pro Max?
I don't know. It's a Max Blank.
Or is it
Looks
just
like,
the S?
I don't know.
Does it have 3 cameras or 2 cameras?
I'm an avid pixel user, so.
Okay. Wait, are you torquing them fully?
I already have them all snugged up.
Okay. We should also do the master while the engine's out.
I'm gonna pull the line off. I'll have to bend the line, so.
We should do it right now while the engine's out. Look how much, you could literally stand in the engine bay and do it.
This is one of those things where having 2 hands in here would definitely make it a little easier.
Did you get it?
Yep.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
She's fresh.
Rip gasket. Okay. Easy. We make this, but with more bend. This might be a bend it by hand instead. Might just be a little bit easier. Yeah, I bought the tool. Let's use the tool. My little nub fell off. Everything's blowing away. Okay, I'm just gonna do it by hand. I changed my mind.
And is that for a left-hand drive or right-hand drive?
Yes.
Okay, so they just use the same one?
It's the same one after the GC and after a first generation Bug Eye. Because my wagon over there also has the looping dampening system instead of the internal.
And mine doesn't?
Yours does not.
Why?
I'm guessing they weren't concerned about clutch abuse when they made the early gen GCs.
So what does a dampened, like how does a dampened clutch feel different than a...
It's just a little bit easier on the clutch itself. So rather than it like bouncing, like releasing so hard, I don't know, it makes it a little gentler for the car. I'm glad this kit came with a new tube cutter because mine is super worn out. All right, pretty easy from here. We are just gonna do one of those. Yeah, believe it or not, that is will
To
work
be fair,
for
you
me.
didn't have to do all those crazy bends. You definitely could have just done a...
Well, I would like to keep it tight and like behind this harness, ideally, I think. Just for the sake of cleanliness.
Over here, we see the Subaru engine in its natural habitat, outside of the engine bay. And there's the flare.
I am being cheap. Rather than driving 5 minutes down the road to the parts store to buy more M10 inverted flare fittings, I am robbing the abundance that Subaru gave me that are 30 years old and really soft. Without a crow's foot. You can see how round they are. It's good.
It wouldn't be a Subaru repair if it wasn't janky as fuck.
You want janky. That's the car for it.
Oh, sick. Look at that. It just threads right in.
It's just gonna be me trying to install a clutch while you say the weirdest possible shit you can think of. It's beautiful. It's out of the way. It's good enough. I might bend it a little bit more later once the engine's back in.
I guess I can show everyone what I've discovered. Turns out the exhaust header, perfect for holding a tripod.
Is this not gonna work?
The what?
I thought the rod was the same length. Ooh.
Is it not the same length?
It might not be.
Short throw, oh.
It's a little shorter.
Or is this one pulled in?
It's a little shorter.
I mean, if your pedal should be able to reach, right? Your pedal just wouldn't come up as much, I don't think.
With it all the way to the floor, it's like all the way on. Like it doesn't pull out at all.
Oh, okay.
So I will just put this off until tomorrow and I will look into a different master.
Then it can probably just go forward now. Stop for a second here. Can we move the crane that way? Like, I don't know if we can. I think this side is too low, that side is too high. Yeah, you've brought the transmission up a good amount.
Yeah.
So let's bring this up. Ow! Fuck! Let me know when it's good on height.
I think we're good there.
Okay.
We're not quite level, but okay. Yeah, let's just take the dog bone out quick. Just takes a second.
It's not. Oh, is that stripped?
No, it's just not grabbing. Do you want to jack up the transmission a couple more times?
Yeah. Finally, after a shitload of struggling, we got it snugged up. So now we just got to lower it and get it on the subframe.
I've had issues with lining up motor mounts on this, but other than that, I've only had really kind of decent luck with pulling this motor.
All right, you okay if I head out?
Yeah. I'm gonna take a break. It's too hot out.
Yeah. But we got it back in, so.
Alrighty, so this is the next day. No more Nick, but this is gonna be a first start and genuine first impression. We'll give it a couple days and kind of talk about it some more. Overall, like without even starting the car, the Retrofit seems good. It took a little bit of finagling, but we've got it going. The pedal is super firm all the way to the floor. Looks like the fork is within spec, so we will see what we think. All right, time to learn a new clutch. So we're going into all our gears nicely. We're gonna let out nice and slow. Okay, bite seems to be kind of right in the middle. We'll see if I can get out of my driveway without the tripod falling over. And success. Right off the bat, the pedal is ridiculously firm. Not a bad thing, just something to get used to compared to the old one, which was ridiculously soft. And while we talk about ridiculous, it is ridiculously hot in here, so forgive me for any wind noise. We're also taking this incredibly easy because, again, this is a new clutch. It's got a 800 kilometer break-in period. And just after a couple pushes of the pedal, it's pretty good. It's this is a kit with a heavy-duty pressure plate, so it's definitely firmer than OE, but the disc disengages and engages like it's OE, which is really nice. We will cut back to maybe in a couple days and kind of see how this clutch starts to break in a little bit better. Okay, well, now seems like a good day to talk about the experience of the clutch. It's been about a month since doing the install. I've taken out to autocross, done a road trip, done lots of daily driving, and good example right here, lots of stop and go driving. It holds up, it's holding up really well. I'm pretty impressed for the price. Only gripe is a flywheel chatter, which is an unfortunate side effect of a lightweight flywheel. That's just kind of the reality of having a car that's modified. We'll kind of see and follow up more as we use and abuse this clutch a little bit more. As far as my GD, my 02 to 07 GD clutch master cylinder conversion on the GC chassis goes, I am pretty happy with how that went too. It's a readily available part. It's something you can buy off Amazon, get the next day. It's got the dampener built into it, which can be deleted if that's your preference, but it's much easier to maintain, infinitely easier to bleed than the factory GC setup was. Install wasn't too hard. Adapting it wasn't too bad. It was just a matter of using a coupling nut and piece of threaded rod, which was just a bolt I cut the head off of. Yeah, super easy retrofit. As far as a recommendation, I mean, by the sounds of it, we are ordering a second kit. We are going to be putting one in Nick's GC8. And going forward, I have another Subaru. When it inevitably needs another clutch, I will probably be trying another one of these clutch kits.